back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to do with entering orders into the system and making sure they get processed through the system. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that you hang tight with me for a few minutes through this video because I do have some salary information to share with you. We're going to dive all in. I just ask that if you like this job lead, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Exemplis. Now, Exemplis has 97 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an order entry representative. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. So let's go ahead and talk about that salary for a minute. They do have the salary range listed at $12.91 an hour, all the way up to $23.33 an hour. So, of course, I tried to do some research to see if they pay on the lower end or the higher end. I do have two different salary pages from Glassdoor, both linked down below. But the first one, the base pay, is listed anywhere from $36,000 to $55,000 a year. And so $36,000 a year breaks down to $17.30 an hour, with the $55,000 coming in at $26.44 an hour. And, of course, if you don't know how Glassdoor works, these salaries are based on people who have submitted their salary information to Glassdoor, who have said they have worked as an order entry rep with Exemplis before. The second salary page that I have for you says that the salary is anywhere from $36,000 to $49,000. So again, that's $17.30 an hour up to $23.55. So this one comes more in line with what they're reporting on the job description and job page, but it looks like nobody really makes less than that $17 an hour mark. So that just kind of gives you a little bit of something to gauge that off of. But with that being said, they are looking for somebody to enter orders from first in queue. You'll have a minimum daily order requirement that you have to meet. You'll be responsible for processing and entering all sales orders accordingly, including entering state contract sales orders into government checklists when necessary. You will assist the customer support representative team with proofing of acknowledgments, running necessary order entry reports when required, and matching the acknowledgments of the sales orders. Now, they don't require very much for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree, and 2 years of work experience in some kind of data entry or administrative field. You do have to be able to pass a typing test. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.